Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm giving you guys a 4-month update on the Tesery swivel screen mount. So the short version is, I've been using it for the past 4 months. I've told you guys that I'm always going to keep it honest and give you guys my honest opinion on what I think. And the truth is, over the past 4 months, I have used it a total number of 0 times. That's right, I said it. 0 times. So, and why is that? The honest truth is we just haven't really felt the need. We know that it's there, but we just haven't felt the need. And so let me swivel the screen around and I'll show you guys specifically what I mean. So this is pretty much the screen here. If you haven't seen the video, I'll also link it, but I'll just show you guys quickly here anyway. You can tilt it down like that. You can also tilt it all the way up like that. Also, I can actually tilt it like this and further up, so it's totally facing me as the passenger, or I could tilt it all the way to the right so it's also facing the driver. Now the issue at hand, if you do have it like that, and I'll see if I can put a video overlay, and if I can't I'll just explain it to you guys, but the basis is, based on how it's mounted, it actually does sit lower than where the original screen sits, and also because you're tilting it to that side, when you're holding your hand here on the steering wheel, it actually blocks the side of that screen over there as well, and so it doesn't actually make it all that useful. Realistically, the only useful time we have found, particularly in terms of using this, is when you're actually charging, or when you're actually just wanting to, say, sit here in the car for whatever reason, or you're waiting and you just want to watch some media. But at the end of the day, in terms of the viewing angle, it's not bad when you have it like that. So we just haven't really had the opportunity where, you know, we've needed to actually swivel it to the side to face us. And so what does that mean? That also means that when I do have the mount over here, I can no longer, I've got the other accessory where I can put the tissue box up there as well, and I've also got something else coming soon. But either way, the long story short of it is, based on using it for 4 months, because I have used the tilt function for a total of 0 times, I'm actually going to reverse it and I'm going to pull this out. And so, would I still recommend this product? I think I would only recommend this product if you had someone who's always waiting in the passenger seat and they always like to watch media, because it does make it all that much more enjoyable when they're in the passenger seat when you do tilt. Otherwise, if you're not always doing that, I personally don't think I would recommend this product to you guys at all. And the main reason is because it does sit a little bit lower, which means that, as I said, when you're holding the left steering wheel, you are actually blocking a bit of the view there. And so, in saying that, if you're not really tilting the screen much, I think save your money, guys. So that's the honest truth. So yeah, I'm not going to record any more in terms of following through how to do the uninstall, because it's really just a reverse of the instructions, which I'll have to grab. But I will show you that in a moment anyway, on the steps that we have to work through in reverse. And then I'll show you guys what the final product looks like, which should be a standard Model Y. So here's a last look at it. Let me flip the camera around. So I'll pan the camera back. So here we go, from left to right. That's it, with the tilt there. And again, you can tilt it up, tilt it across, you can go all the way across, tilt it down. See, it's really good in terms of being able to adjust all these angles, but it's just that it sits lower and we just haven't really used it. So there you go. So let me grab you the instructions. I'll show you the steps that we've got to do in reverse, and then I'll show you the final product. Alright, so this is the box for the ones who haven't watched the original video. And yeah, that's pretty much what the part looks like. I'll show you guys after I take it out, but there's basically a mount on top and bottom that you just got to undo. And then in terms of the instructions, so this is a little ripped, but pause the screen if you guys want to have a look at that. That's basically all of the instructions there. And so in terms of the viewing angle, it was a 40 degrees tilt each way. And so, as I said, if you guys do want to buy this product, I do have an affiliate or a discount code. I'll put that across the top and also in the description box below. But my honest views after having it for 4 months is that we didn't use it at all. So I'll be removing this, and yeah, I'll see if I miss it. So I'll see how the next 4 months goes. And yeah, if we end up keeping this car, or we feel like we want to use this, then I'll reinstall it again. Otherwise, that's the update for you guys. So once I finish on installing this, I'll show you guys what it looks like again, which should be back to normal, and we'll wrap up the video there. So we'll see you soon. We're done. So let me show you guys what the final product looks like, which is essentially back to normal. There you go. Kind of miss this look, but yeah, definitely sits back to the higher position, no longer lower. I think it was about that much difference, and yeah, we'll see how we go. I've got something else coming soon in the next couple of weeks, I think. So I'll get you guys posted. But as I said, if you've got any questions at all, drop in the comment box below. Be happy to answer that. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and we'll see you soon.